Hi everyone, my name is Tricia Lynn. I'm going to be showing you a fingerstyle pattern for the song Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. The song is going to be used for the ukelikethepros fingerstyle challenge. Sign up for free at ukelikethepros.com/challenge. I've named this fingerstyle pattern the yo-yo because your hand goes up and down on the strings as you play it. You're using one finger per string on this strumming pattern. So the thumb goes to the fourth string, all the other ones follow. So the pointer finger or the index finger goes to the C, middle goes to the E, and your ring finger goes to the A string, comes from Pima. Pulgar, indice, medio, and annular, okay? Which comes from classical guitar playing. So the pattern goes like this. Thumb, index, middle and ring finger, index. When I say middle and ring finger, I'll call it a double. Thumb, index, double, index, thumb, index, double, index, thumb, index, double, index. Make sure that when you're plucking, you have contact with the base of the ukulele, the body, your forearm. Over the sound hole, you're plucking over the sound hole. Your thumb is using its big knuckle to move and pluck, not the small knuckle. Your pinky can either be hovering or it could touch the body of the ukulele as well. Let's try it with the F chord. 1, 2, 3. I'll go even slower. Nice and easy. When it comes to fingerstyle patterns, a lot of it is muscle memory. So pick up your ukulele, play the fingerstyle pattern, go even slower because you have to get that into your memory of your fingers, okay? Now, the song Dreams is only 2 chords, with exception to the instrumental. So it really is F and G the whole entire time for the verse. Same thing with the chorus, F and G. The intro, F and G. So let's just try that. Really slow. Here we go. We'll start with the intro. 1, 2. We're going to play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3. 1. Switch. That's 2 times. 2 more times. I'll go a little bit slower. Last time. Then the song starts. After that goes the verse. Same thing. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to bring you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. Stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. The The chorus is the same. Now, the instrumental has a few different chords in it. There's a G and an A minor, but they're all played with 4 counts. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Now, there is this lead part that happens in the song. So for all of you intermediate players, you'd like to try challenging yourself to play it. Sounds like this. That little melody. Okay, the way that you play it, you're going to start from the G chord. And then you're going to play the C string. And you're going to use your pinky to play that E. You can hammer it on and hammer it off. And hammer that off again. And then go to the F. I'll show you again. So pluck, hammer, off, hammer, off. So if you'd like to, also you can put an extra pluck in there if it sounds too weak when you're doing the hammer off or the hammer on. Okay, so again. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and try playing the entire song at speed with the intro, the verse, chorus, and the instrumental. 1, 2, 3. Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. The stillness of remembering what you had, what you lost, and what you had, and what you lost. Fun only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Same women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. You know. Now here I go again, I see with crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams and have you in your dreams you like to sell. Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. The stillness what you lost. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you know. You know. You know. You know. Make sure you sign up with ukelikethepros.com/challenge for the fingerstyle challenge to get a chance at winning some ukuleles. You'll find some really great opportunities to have backing tracks to play with these songs. So have fun.